Hello and welcome to this trophy guide for High on Life 2. We are doing the Where is Maris trophy or missable achievement. We're here in the quarters, gonna get down the stairs and we're gonna play this game. There is no hidden mechanic, you just press E, then move with the arrows to the side and just hit it. It's gonna be random and you have to get seven different kinds of these pillows that are inside these gacha balls, and after that you're gonna get the achievement. I'm just gonna speed up the process a little bit so that we can see it earlier. I hope that this was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please leave a silly comment for the algorithm and subscribe, it really helps me out. See you in the next video. Have fun playing.
I'm